those birds flying above us, these landing on the ship's railing, not migrating. Doesn't the earth belong to them, revisiting the lands, carrying traces of mist from their latest approach to the crest of the firmament? Their shadows burnt on a cloud front in circles of brightness, in witness, leaving a trace of dust on the cloud. Messengers of God, angels free to marry and die, children of day, night's predators, favorite creature, chosen and endowed, whose gratitude shames the holiest of men. The least among the kind, being empowered and free from sin, the eagle, the falcon, the crow and the raven, the sparrow, the wren, the dove, the pigeon, the stork and the heron, alike being clear in the sight of heaven. These and many more travel through each layer of the atmosphere with no desire or need of war. Ritual song defends their nesting grounds. In each country through which they fly, they are at ease and recognize particular trees. The shapes of hills, city walls, and other details. The oblong hole where a brick fell, lined with grass and wall. The sun will rise soon. I would like to see the dawn from my window. As things stand now, this will not be an easy day.